Making a quick video showing you how to review disapprovals in Meta. Sometimes your ads will get flagged for policy related issues, and you simply need to log into Meta and ask for a review in order to overturn them. To do that, you simply go to Meta and you'll see from this interface, there will be a red pill. You can hover over that and click View Ad, and then go to Business Support Home. You can also come directly to this particular link. That's probably easier. And you'll see an overview that shows you which ads have been disapproved and for what. So here you can see we have one ad that's been disapproved for discriminatory practices. We don't have the request review function, so what you'll need to do instead is reach out to support for help. So to do that, you simply go into help, create new case. What is your issue? I have ads that are incorrectly flagged for discriminatory practices. I need somebody to manually review and overturn. And you're going to want to copy this text because you're probably going to have to send it again. So copy the text, click next step, and you'll get connected to a Meta wrap. It's going to give you a bunch of questions. The whole point of these things is that you'll bounce and not receive support. So just keep answering them until you reach a person. Yeah, this has been pretty slow, but if you keep going at a certain point, you'll speak with somebody, and then you just have to be firm about what your issue is until you get support. Sweet. Otherwise, if you do have this option, you'll simply come into this interface, click the checkbox so that you highlight all actions. I guess I'll reopen this one. You can always chat with them again. And simply click request review to start a non-manual review. Usually those get approved within 24 hours, so that's the fastest route. For whatever reason, these ads, I'm not being allowed to request a review on this particular ad, so that's why we've got to chat with Meta support. But sweet. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment, and if you found this video valuable, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.